My name's Dave Schlafman. I'm the co-founder of Cloud Kids Studios, and we make games for kids.
Which activity uses the most energy?
We're a very collaborative studio, so whenever we have to come up with a game idea, we meet with our animation director, our producer, and we say, what can we create? What are we going to have a lot of fun producing? We get this great idea, and it has to teach something. So we're not teachers, although we think of ourselves as teachers, so we go to the pros.
If you want to go down to the younger ages...
Our last project for PBS, we worked with a math specialist, and she was so helpful in really explaining to us how kids learn and what types of challenges kids have when they learn through games and what can they understand. Once we have a wireframe, we have to write a script so we know what all the characters are going to say. Then we have programming that actually starts to build the actual game, and then we also have all the artwork. What do the backgrounds look like? I actually like all the shadows from the characters. There are lots of things that are happening at once, but sometimes you can't start animation until the voice recording's done, and the script has to be done before the voice recording. So a producer really fills that role of how to take all those different parts and make sure they're all happening at the same time. A programmer will start with the wireframe, and they say, okay, I know that this character needs to do X, Y, or Z, and then they write code so that that character can do that. I like what you guys did with the levels. We try to use real life, real world situations. And the more math games that we've been creating, what we realize is math is everywhere. But math is more than numbers. It's also problem solving. It's exactly what a game designer does, is how do you bring all these different things together and solve a problem? Art is really a team sport, you know. Programmers and game designers and writers and artists and animators, and I think that's what I love about waking up and coming to work every day, is just getting to work with such an amazing team of people.